eggplant stew with meat. Cut the eggplant and break into pieces as shown. What is the point of breaking like that?
If it's more natural, more we don't
Break into pieces and put in the bowl of water. And these are the ingredients. That is minced meat.
meat.
That is Chinese star spices. This is
Sichuan pepper.
some Sichuan pepper, those seeds there, and spring onions, and that is garlic, chopped garlic and ginger, and the paste available in Chinese supermarket. This is soybean paste available in Chinese supermarkets. That is oyster sauce, and the other one powder.
Chinese
This is Chinese spices available in Chinese supermarkets.
Now this one,
Now
I cut potato. See, now the cut complete like this, not good. When we make this stew, we cut like this. See,
now
break down.
half cut potato and break into pieces
Yeah,
as shown.
yeah. Easily becoming
This
soft.
is one potato, and immediately put in the water to avoid it become black. Now you took two potatoes. Put a saucepan on the stove. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil.
Okay.
Now add
Minced meat.
minced meat. And now add the other ingredients like garlic, ginger, spring onions, Chinese star spices and Sichuan pepper. Now add Chinese spices, powder spices, and stir well. Now add broken
Yeah, what do you call that? Sorry.
eggplants.
I forgot. Put a little this one, dark soy sauce. Soy sauce.
Add about
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce and mix while adding
Eggplant.
eggplant. Now add
Oyster sauce.
oyster sauce about
Oyster.
about 1 tablespoon and mix again. Added 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce
Two
and
tablespoons.
mix. Now add 2 tablespoons of soybean paste.
Soybean paste is a very salty. Okay. So put the salt now. Let's see later. Huh?
As the soybean paste contains great amount of salt, check the taste of the dish and consider whether to add more salt or not
Now put
according to your taste. Now add water. And stir well. Now add potato. Mix. and cover. Keep it for about half an hour. Yeah, cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's about 20 minutes past. It has been cooking all the time. Now this is how it looks like. Now that's the final dish. This is spring onion?
Yeah, bring for some spring onion.
This is the final dish. Salt and ground pepper available around for your taste.